Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, he's trying to find another hole to go in. Look at him. Look at him. Holy cow. This is like the Discovery Channel. Watch, he's trying to find a hole. This is so cool. You guys, look at this. No. Look, he's out. He's out. Oh, yeah, baby. Is that a garter snake?
I think so, yeah.
Come on, Monks.
I can't see it on my contact lens.
Come on out.
I'm not coming close to that thing.
He's not going to get you. He's busy. As Michael says, he's customized. He's got his.
You got video to that?
Yeah.
I mean, it's just unbelievable. That's a huge frickin' frog. How's he going to devour that guy? Can I hit him with water?
Yeah.
Okay, watch out. It may go your way. We're torturing him, aren't we?
Yeah.
Look at him. Oh, yeah. Hit him again?
Sure.
Probably threw into that hole.
Yeah.
Okay, but he ain't gonna find out how good he's there.